Ganda pala rito sa umaga, Mama Berna, oh. Kanya naman pala marami nagpupunta sa Hagyang. Para tayo na sa Baguio, no, Mama Berna? Ha? Para tayo na sa Baguio. Oh, let's go. Let's have breakfast na. Oh, another tour dito sa ating Sheraton 4 Points. Maganda siya, no? Oh, mayroon pa tayong bathtub. Ay, daming mga nakasabit na damit. Kasi naglalaba tayo everyday to survive the vacation. Ayan, para kay Cole kung kasama. Dito yung mga bata. Ayan, ganda rin, ha? This is totally brand new, by the way, ha? Nagbukas 2024. Dito, para kay Dylan, meron siyang TP house. Ganda. Imagine, 1 year lang to. And less than $80. Tapos, may mga view siya talaga, ganda. Let's have breakfast, Mama Berna. Okay, let's go. Mama Berna, let's have breakfast. Bakit talaga na binigay sa ating rooms, no? Again? Cute na mga rooms niya, no? This is a brand new hotel. 2024 lang nag-open. Yes, panay views, ang ganda. Talagang nakapaligid pala yung mga bundok dito, no? Okay, let's go for breakfast. Yan, pangalan ng kanyang breakfast is Hagyang Kitchen. Oh, nice. It's an open kitchen, no? So we need to have breakfast first. Then we go for the Hagyang Loop. Yes. Ganda. I like this kitchen. Open kitchen, no? Ganda tignan. At piti yung mga pagkain tuloy, looks masarap, lahat. Kitang-kita si Chef. Hello, Chef. Si Chef, kitang-kita siya, nagluluto. Lahat ng klaseng sausage, meron ito. Pork, chicken, beef sausage, smoked bacon. Okay, so, the egg station. Daming breads, yan. Binigyan yata niya ng gatas yung egg ko, ha. Okay. Okay, I think that's it. Don't overcook it. I think that's it. Alright. Okay. That's good. It's good enough. I don't like it overcooked. That's it. That's it. Yeah, that's it. Hindi kayong kaintindihan nito. That's it. Put already on my plate. That's it. Ay, na-overcook na tuloy. Okay. I got eggs na overcook and the soup. Some noodles and fruits. Eggs ka rin, Mama. Ganda ng view natin. Wala masyadong Wala silang masyadong mga guests. Gusto ko yan. Ano yan? Vietnamese noodles. Kung di mo maubos, bigyan mo ako, ha? Sarap yung noodles ni Berna, kasi beef paws, Vietnamese noodles. Okay, ayos, mukhang masarap. Beef or chicken. Yun, inayos na. Dadalhin na yan sa sa aking pangalan to. Sa table. Thank you. Yung broth ang importante. Kailangan masarap ang broth. Sarap din yung mga fruits niya dito. Ito gusto ko, yogurt. Okay, here it is. My Vietnamese noodles is already here. Yan ang makapasarap, yung lime. Meron pang pampaanghang. Okay, syempre, imimix mo yung lime para lalong mas masarap. Yan, ready to eat na. Today we leave our hotel at 9:30 and we're going to start with the Hagyang Loop and stay overnight there on Dong Van. And after that, we stay another overnight at this village. So it's a 4-day adventure here at the Hagyang.